Okay. I have made this sentence formation chart. Here you are looking the 4 rows. You can say that 4 column also. There are one word written on one sheet. These, that, it, here, there. There are 5 words here in one column number 1. There are also 5 words in column number 2. There are also 5 words in column number 3, and there are also 5 words in column number 4. By using all the words, you can make 625 words. How can it? That I will show you. This is my bag. This is my pen. This is my bag. This is my pencil. This is my notebook. Here you have made the 5 sentences. Now take the next word. Is. Instead of taking the is, you can take is not. This is not my book. This is not my pen. This is not my bag. This is not my pencil. This is not my notebook. Take the next word from column number 2. Was. This was. This was not my book. This was not my pen. This was not my bag. This was my book, and this was my notebook. In this way, you can make 625 sentences.